Good evening, my name is Engineer Piyush Pandey. Welcome to today's session of Motivational Skills, and the topic for today's discussion is always follow one passion. Ladies and gentlemen, this video is suggested by my very close friend from Haridwar, Mr. Ravi Mendola, who is a digital marketing expert. So thank you, Mr. Ravi, for suggesting this very crucial video. This is very crucial that we all should have one passion in life. Sometimes students, what they do, they select two career options after 10th standard. They select two career options, thinking in mind that if they are not able to make up their career in one option, the second option is always available to them. Now, definitely it is a hard work studying two subjects at the same time and showing the same level of dedication towards both these subjects. It is very difficult for students, but if certain students are able to manage it, that is fine. It is their own specific caliber. If they are so hardworking that they can manage two subjects at the same time, that is fine, that is good. But ladies and gentlemen, in most of the cases, why actually we have to select this thing? Why we do not select only one career option? Sometimes choosing two career options is not fruitful, because ultimately at a certain stage in your life, you have to select one of those two items. So you keep studying both the subjects as long as you want, but as far as choice of career is concerned, among both these options you have to select only one. We cannot have two careers at the same time. So what can we do in this regard? What will be the right decision in terms of taking career? In terms of taking more than one career, or in terms of taking only one career as your future option? What is the best thing that you can do? I must say, ladies and gentlemen, people do it because there are very limited career options in India. And it happens that by the time you take admission in a particular course, there is a huge scope of that course in India. But by the time you finish that course after 4 years or 5 years, depending upon the duration of the course, you come to know that now there is no further scope in that career. So when you joined your university, your college, there was huge scope in that particular career, but by the time you left your college, your university, after spending 4 to 5 years over there, the scope was permanently gone. There was no scope. So this is the drawback which these people face. I must say one more thing, ladies and gentlemen. In India, the career options are scattered. They are not linear. Now, why I am saying that they are not linear? Whatever job opportunities you will find in one state of the country, you are not going to find the same kind of job opportunities in other state of the country. The infrastructure of different states is different. What things are found in one state, they are not found in another state of the India. And that is why we call that India is a diverse nation. Ladies and gentlemen, in certain cases, it also happens that after completing graduations or post-graduations, we are so emotionally attached to our hometown that we are not willing to leave our hometown. And when we are not willing to leave our hometown, the career options are further limited. In that case, we have to choose only those career options which are available in your state, because it is a compulsion for you, as you are not willing to leave your state. Otherwise, if you are willing to leave your state and explore further states of the country, you will come to know that there are a large number of job opportunities related to the course that you have done. And definitely you will find the right job according to your choice. Ladies and gentlemen, career options are very much scattered in India. That's why always try to make a logical decision while choosing a particular career. There is no such thing that only engineering, medicine, and these few courses, they are having only good career opportunities in future, and rest every other career is not good in any way. Ladies and gentlemen, if we want to get settled properly in life, we will have to search ourselves. Nobody is going to help us in this. Try to find out that what type of job opportunities are available in different types of states of the country. If you are having inclination towards one particular subject, there is no need to compromise. You please go in that particular direction only. And after doing your graduation and PG, try to search that in which state of the country the career options for that particular course are more and more. Go and get settled in that particular state of the country. That is the best option that you can do in order to gain a respectful job. As far as choosing two career choices are concerned, that is also sometimes not a good decision, ladies and gentlemen. You will not be able to concentrate on one particular subject. You will not be able to concentrate on one particular subject because there are many other responsibilities of personal life along with studies. That's why please don't make it a burden on your head. Try to be very much firm that what you exactly want to do in your life and choose only one career option according to that. Choose only one career option according to that, and along with that, make this search yourself that what career options are available related to that particular subject and in which state of the country. Assam, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Tripura, Nagaland, Himachal Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh. There are different states in the country, ladies and gentlemen, and you can explore all these states. You can try to find out that what type of industries are available in that state, in these states, and whether those industries are relevant to your course or not. And if there are certain industries which are relevant to your course, pack up your bag, go and get settled in that particular part of the country. We are often fearful. We don't want to leave our hometown. This is the biggest problem with we people. We keep searching good opportunities, staying in our hometown, and we don't want to explore this beautiful country, India. There are a large number of opportunities, but they are diverse. And this is what we are not going to realize. We never realize this thing. We never realize diversity of our country. And this diversity is not only in terms of environment and infrastructure, it is also in terms of job opportunities that are available to the youth of the nation. That's why while making your career choices, be very much firm that what you exactly want to do in your life, and always be specific. Show 100% dedication towards one particular profession, ladies and gentlemen, and definitely you will get what you love to do. What you want to be, wherever you want to be, definitely you will reach over there, 100%, that is sure. But what is required is you have to be conscious, you have to be concentrated towards one particular aim in life. Please do not sail on two boats. Always remember this. Make one specific choice in your life and dedicate your entire life towards that particular job, towards that particular profession, towards that particular course of study. If you are passionate about what you are studying, if you are dedicated about the kind of profession that you want to do in your life, 100% you will get what you deserve. That's all for today, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that you loved my today's video. Please subscribe my channel, ER Piyush Pandey, Trainer BTech MBA. And please press the bell icon for constant updates. Thank you very much. Have a great day.